ఉపాధ్యాయ మిత్రులకు నమస్కారాలు. నిష్ఠా 3.0 మాడ్యూల్ 2 క్విజ్ ఆన్సర్స్ చూద్దాం. ది అమెండ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ రూల్ 23(2) of the Right to Education Act 2009 highlighted that options no detention policy should be enforced. Children can be detained if they fail in the examination. Public examinations should be held in class 3 and 5. All the states should prepare class-wise, subject-wise learning outcomes. Answer is all the states should prepare class-wise, subject-wise learning outcomes. Next question. Children have settled into pattern of learning that usually persists for life by the end of grade options grade 8, grade 3, grade 5, grade 4. Answer is grade 3. Grade 3. Next question. In framework, the framework for foundational literacy and numeracy has been divided into options 4 developmental goals, 5 developmental goals, 3 developmental goals, 6 developmental goals. Answer is 3 developmental goals. Next question. Specific statements that describe exactly what a student will be able to do in some measurable ways are options attitude, learning outcomes, competency, skill. Answer is learning outcomes. Learning outcomes. Next question. Non-responsive instructions focus on options completing the syllabus without asserting the learning of children, age of the child, learning levels of children, class or grade of the child. Answer is completing the syllabus without asserting the learning of children. Next question. Non-responsive instructions focus on. So options completing the syllabus without asserting the learning of children, age of the child, learning levels of children, class or grade of the child. Answer completing the syllabus without asserting the learning of children. Next question. The National Council of Education Research and Training (NCERT) developed learning outcomes at the elementary stage for each class and subject in the year. Options 2020, 2009, 2017, 2019. Answer is 2017. 2017. Next question. Protein, fat and carbohydrates in the diet provide options balanced nutrition, micronutrients, macronutrients, immunity. Answer is macronutrients. Next question. Outcomes based approach does not provide options a common reference point, better quality teaching, assessment as pass or fail, improved and active learning process. Answer is assessment as pass or failed. Next question. Activities requiring running, jumping, balancing, cycling should be provided for. Options: fine muscle development, eye-hand coordination, stability, large muscle development. Answer is large muscle development. Next question. Children learn to read mechanically through simple decoding but without much comprehension if their dash is not ensured. Options: vocabulary, oral language base, alphabetic knowledge, print concept. Answer is oral language base. Oral language base. Next question. Developmental goal 3. Developmental goal 3 progress into following subjects in grade 3. Options: games and sports, mathematics and EVS, Hindi and English, science and social science. Answer: mathematics and EVS. Next question. The guiding points for the teachers and the stakeholders to assess the progress of learning by children are: options: attitude, learning outcomes, skills, competency. Answer is learning outcomes. Next question. In the FLN framework, learning outcomes are arranged. Options: hierarchically, randomly, spirally, virtually. Answer: spirally. Next question. The competency based education is based on the idea that learners should be enabled to develop in depth understanding of concepts and principles so that: options: they get practical knowledge, they can transfer the knowledge to real life situations, they get theoretical knowledge, they score high marks in the examination. Answer is they can transfer the knowledge to real life situations. Next question. Which is not an outcome of competency based education? Options: students apply their knowledge to real life situations, students dependent on rote learning is reduced, students acquire high marks in the annual examinations, the burden of incomprehension is reduced. So answer is students' dependence on rote learning is reduced. Next question. A combination of knowledge, skills and attitudes appropriate to the context is defined as: options: attitude, competency, skill, learning outcomes. Answer is competency. Next question. A sum total of cognitive elements, functional aspects as well as interpersonal attributes and ethical values is known as: options: attitude, learning outcomes, skill, competency. Answer is competency. Next question. In the competency based education model, assessment is done half-yearly, annually, throughout the year, quarterly. Answer is annually. Next question. Lakshya or targets have been defined to monitor the progress of FLN mission by the: options: students, teachers, parents, state functionaries. Answer is students. Next question. expression and management of emotions, and the ability to establish positive and rewarding relationships with others, and the ability to explore and engage with the environment is a part of options. Language and literacy development, physical and motor development, socio-emotional development, aesthetic development. Answer is socio-emotional development. So questions are totally answered. సో ఈ విధంగా మీరు కూడా ఈ వీడియోని చూసి మరి మాడ్యూల్ 2లో మీరు కూడా ఈ మార్కులు సంపాదిస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ Padu Tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.